Hey guys, so today we have Yash with us who is working as a senior front-end engineer in Usercentrics, and we will discuss about something about him. How was his experience? So first, tell me about yourself, like something you want to tell our audience.
I'm just, I don't know what to tell about it. I'm just a regular Indian guy who accidentally came into Germany, technically.
Okay, so so modest. Okay, so now our audience want to know how was your journey from coming? Like how did you come from to Germany? How was your journey from India to Germany?
So, back in 2017, I used to do freelancing for different companies.
Mm-hmm.
And from, I used to do freelancing from, can I say the name of the platform?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I used to do freelancing on Upwork, and there I actually met the CTO, like the previous CTO of this company, which with whom I had a good bonding. Like I made a good bonding. We worked together for his own different apps, and then he introduced me to this company, and we started working together for Usercentrics.
Mm-hmm.
And then so basically at that time also I used to work from India, and I didn't have any certainty about coming to Germany, or I didn't have any plan as well. Like I planned to do freelancing from India only, but then around in beginning of 2019 we decided to work together from the office, like from Munich. So, and me and him, we both were not aware of the entire process, and we decided to do it by ourselves. So we just did some research and found different ways. I applied for visa. That took me that there were like to and from communication, because I didn't know how to do it. So I had some doubts. I directly asked to the visa office, and they were actually really positive about the response. Like response take times, but they reply to all your queries. I mean the queries which are not listed.
So just like you want to say that you started freelancing from India for a foreign company,
Mhm.
and you end up with coming here.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
it can be a point like doing freelancing in India might be an option that you might in future come to Germany or other foreign countries you like to. So it can be the first step. Like if you don't planning to do masters, or you're not planning for higher studies and you want to come to abroad for like bigger opportunities, then you can start with something with freelancing for that company, and might be in future they can give you an option to come to their original home company and do a permanent job. So yeah, but now some fun facts, like what are all the things that you miss here in Germany?
What all things I miss from India?
Yeah, of course, like from India.
Yeah, I mean let's say that
Food.
Exactly.
That's the first thing that comes in everyone's
Definitely.
mind. Food is the first thing.
Yeah. Food, and plus I'm from Ahmedabad, and Ahmedabad is actually known for the different kind of foods.
Yeah.
So in Ahmedabad I used to explore so many restaurants almost twice a week, and here it's kind of very expensive, and plus you don't get that spice, the kind of spice you get in India. So that is something I missed about
जब
it.
तक लाल मिर्ची लाल दिखे नहीं ना, ऊपर से जीभ जले नहीं, पानी ना निकले ना, सीसी की आवाज़, तब तक मज़ा नहीं आता. तो वही सीन है यहाँ पे. So that's all about it. Now I come to know that some people say to me in Germany you can face some racism. Is it it is true, what do you think about racism in Germany basically?
I don't know. I mean, in general, I haven't faced racism, but I mean, there were minor cases. Like if you try to observe things very carefully, and if you're not carefree person like me, I don't care about what people says, but then you might notice few things. Like initially, I didn't know how supermarket works here, and I went to one supermarket. One guy told me something in German, and I didn't understand, because I know nothing about German language. And then he said something to me. I was like, wait, I don't speak German. and he started laughing and saying again something in German, and he told his colleague that man. So we probably, I think that was not racism, but that was like something that
Funny things.
yeah,
Might be like we don't know, like might be he don't know what he says in German.
Yeah, exactly.
Might be he's trying to say something, then he call his friend, just like, do you speak English? Because he might not speak English, so it can be like a language barrier thing.
Exactly. And but apart from that, at least in our office, like in Usentrix, I see zero racism.
Here's like here's
Yeah.
zero, of course. There,
Yeah, I mean, the Usentrix love Indians.
love,
Really.
like lot of German people loves Indians. Like there is a good respect and everything. So I don't think so. That I personally also don't feel like there is a racism, but it's okay. Now some fun facts like what is your dating standards? Like what do you think about dating standards in Germany? Like do you get easily a girl?
Dude, I think you are asking this to the wrong guy. Like, I actually never explored, dating side of me. But
He's
so-
straight.
Yeah, definitely. I haven't tried dating guys as well, and I'm not interested in them. Like, they don't give me, excitement. So yeah, I'm straight. That is clear thing. Thanks for clarifying that.
Like he haven't explored the dating standards or dating culture of Germany, but he's straight. But he might plan to. Like, are you planning?
Yeah, I don't know. I mean,
But like, did you face any experience? Like, how's it easy or difficult for an Indian to get a girl in Germany?
I mean, I have seen in clubs that I mean, not in just in Germany, but like once I went to Paris, and there also I saw that girls easily approach Indian guys, and they come to them, and so I mean, I have seen like there was a group of Indian people, and just three girls came from out of nowhere, and just they started mingling.
Mingling. So like, there's a good point. And plus, if you're an engineer, what do you say? So it's like, if you're an engineer and you're like, I might be like open to some relation things, or like shadi.com, and say that if you're an engineer, you're not getting a girl, come to here and we will get you a girl. But like here, like I think so, like Indians get a lot of girls, and Indian girls also get a lot of boys. So dating culture is kind of good, exploration is good. Dating means like they want to know the people, they want to know the culture.
Yeah.
So it's like it's a kind of like a good thing, and acceptance is more in Germany, I think so. Like they accept the change, they accept who you are, they don't want to try to change you. So that can be a good point.
Yeah, true.
But what do you want to say about the job opportunities in Germany? Basically, if I talk about Germany, what do you think? Is there a good job opportunities?
I think it completely depend on your experience. Like if you are already working on in some reputed company, like since I'm working from Usentis, I don't have to approach any companies. Like the Usentis is already like well reputed in Germany. So there are like if I open my LinkedIn, I always get some some message
Some
from
messages,
recruiters that
like-
if you want to apply. And I have to tell them that no, currently like I'm not looking. I'm happy with where I am.
Yeah, like it happens to us also.
exactly.
Like we are
But-
working in user centrics.
Exactly. But for the people who come to Germany for study and then they go for the job, I have seen many people struggling for the job.
So it's like Germany is not 100% open. So if you are coming for masters and applying for a job, there would be a struggle. But if you are already experienced, like how much experience you would say?
I don't know. I mean, it's not in number of like in terms of number, but it's in terms
Term
of
of knowledge.
Yes, exactly.
So if you are like knowledgeable, like experience, like in India as we have in years, it doesn't count here.
I don't know. I mean, I don't know the general scenario, but
like
for
if-
me, I can say that they focus on the
Knowledge
knowledge
part.
more. Yeah.
So if you are knowledgeable and you have like really good will on your technology or like good knowledge about your subject, then probably you gonna shine here in Germany, because they do support what you have, they do support in which excellent skill you are, and you get paid for it. That's it. And what is like traveling in Germany feels like how is it traveling? If I talk about like one hobbies of traveling, like what do you think about it? Like what are the most beautiful thing of Germany, you would say?
You get access to the entire Europe.
That's good. That's the first thing everyone says, that you get a visa that give you access to the whole Schengen area. But like if I talk about like what is the most best thing you like about German culture?
Like in terms of traveling, I would say mountains and trekking. Like there are so many places where you can
So
go for
many,
trekking.
yeah.
So many places to explore. I mean, I have explored so many places in the like Bavaria area and in North Germany, and there are still lots of places
Places left,
left.
yeah. And like, what about the culture? Like, what is the best thing you really like about German culture?
Best thing about German culture.
The first thing that I would say, the first thing I like, that they keep their own business. They keep mind their own business. They don't put
Okay. In that terms, I think the first thing I like about the work-life balance and the employment rights. Like there are like so many good things for the employees, like the sick leave, paid leaves,
maternity leave,
comfort.
parental leave. The best thing, like if you are joining this company and you want to take 1 year off, so you can apply for unpaid leave for a year, and you can start back with the same company after 1 year. That's really the best thing.
Yeah, I mean, in generally, I would say that they
But you have to take care of your insurance and every other taxes.
Yeah.
You are not getting paid, so you have to spend your savings. But you still have the job.
True.
And more about like culture, the people. What do you think about the people?
I mean,
They're nice.
everyone is nice. I mean, everyone is sweet. I mean, they actually try to like help you, and especially in Munich, like I don't know this in like a statistic, but I have heard people saying that like anyone who lives in any part of Germany, they want to be in Munich because this is the best area of it.
Yeah.
And plus, there is no fear of being
Theft or
exactly.
There's least crime in Munich.
Exactly.
That's
So
the best part. So like he's totally focused on Munich area of Germany, and he says that this is the best city to live in, and this is the best country to stay in, and this is the best company to work in.
True.
Hashtag we are promoting you, Zandrex, okay?
Yeah. And we are hiring too.
So just put in like if you want to get come to Germany, and IT guy can put your comment in the YouTube channel or in the video under the video.
Yeah. Or maybe you can just search Go User Centrics and apply for the job, and you can just add my name or Shivam's name as a reference.
Yeah, and you can apply for it.
Totally.
So guys, if you have any question, just put in the comment section and let me know. Thanks for watching these videos. Do like, share, subscribe.
Nice.
He also said, okay?
Yep. Do like, share,
Yes.
subscribe, and in future if I open my own channel, then give also